What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Arben Greatsword for Damien in Crimson Desert. This big baddie gives Damien 23 points of attack damage. Though it's without the Abyss gears, there are 5 slots for it you can freely customize personally later. To find this, head southeast of the Menace and northwest of Galacia. It's on this small island just above the letter G of Gorthak. If we zoom in, you need to be standing on this point where my green marker's at. When you get to that point, face the ground, jump and force palm on the air 3 times so we could get enough airtime towards our waypoint on the island. Now our target are those vines. Once you land, use your blinding light ability and focus the light towards the vines. Wait until they all burn away. Once they're gone, you'll find a trapdoor. Open it and enter the cave below. You'll find a pile of treasure lying around. You can loot them too, as you find a greatsword just lodged onto the pile beside the chest. Take it and you just got a new greatsword for Damien. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.